Bonjour. So today we'll be seeing the term accordance in French. You must have heard accord, agreement in French. Now let us see what is this agreement or accord. Agreement or accord is basically the accordance of the subject with the object in terms of gender and number. That is, we'll be agreeing the subject and the object together on the basis of gender and number. Now, the verb which is always accorded is être. Être is always accorded. Let us clear this with the example. The first example says Je suis étudiant and Je suis étudiante. What is the difference? Je suis étudiant. Now, when the subject je was masculine, our object was also masculine. That is étudiant without an e. When we turn the subject into feminine, that is this je becomes feminine. A female will be saying je as feminine. Then she'll be saying je suis étudiante. That is an extra addition of e to accord, to agree the object with the gender. Je is feminine, so the étudiant should also be feminine. Next example. Ils sont fatigués. They are tired. Je suis étudiant means I am a student. Then ils sont fatigués. They are tired. Now here ILS is masculine plural. So we do not need to accord it with feminine. We do not need to accord it in gender. We only need to accord it in number. Okay, so only we'll be putting an extra s to accord this fatigue with the main subject, that is ILS plural, so fatigue plural, that is ils sont fatigués. Clear? Now let us see the various subject pronouns and how are they accorded. All the subject pronouns. The first one is je, which means I. As you know that I is a singular subject pronoun, so it will never accord in number. It will only accord in gender. You can see I have added an extra e to make the sense clear that it is being turned into feminine. Je suis prêt. Now this je is masculine, so we'll be writing je suis prêt. Prêt without an extra e. That is I am ready for masculine. Next, je suis prête. Prête, an extra e for turning this prêt adjective object into feminine because the je was feminine. Je suis prête. This would be the sentence for a feminine, for a female. Clear? Then, tu es patient, tu es patiente. You very well know that we add e to make the sentence, make the word feminine in French. Mostly the words ending in e are feminine. That is, tu es patient, you are patient for a masculine, and tu es patiente for feminine. Tu is also a subject pronoun which is only accorded in gender, not in number, because tu is used for singular. Then il, no agreement, because neither we have to turn it into feminine nor in plural il, so no agreement. Then o means we, and it can be turned into feminine because if the we group will be a feminine, so we need to put an extra e, and if not it is always plural, mostly plural, because o is also used for one must, so we will be putting extra s also to make it plural. Then o usually takes the masculine singular agreement by default. Clear? O is generally taken into masculine and singular, that is, it is not accorded. Formally it is not accorded. That is, if you will be referring to a group of o which is to a group which is feminine and you are referring it with o, so you do not necessarily need to put e and s. It is not accepted. Informally if you will write, it will be correct, but mostly we try to avoid the agreement in o. Then nous is a subject pronoun which means we, and it can be feminine as well, so it is accorded in both gender and number. Then nous sommes intelligents, nous sommes intelligentes. We are intelligent for a masculine group with extra s for plural, And nous sommes intelligentes with E as well as S when this group is feminine and plural. Then, vous. You very well know that this vous subject pronoun is used for both you and you all. That is singular you and as well plural you. So we'll be according it in both sense. If this you will be singular, we'll not be putting s. If this you will be plural, that is we are referring to a group, you all, then we'll be putting an extra s. That is you are happy. Singular one. Let us look at the singular case first. You are happy. So what will be the sentence? Vous êtes heureux. For masculine. Singular you. So no extra s or anything. Then vous êtes heureuse. Heureuse, a feminine of heureuse. Vous êtes heureuse for singular. You are happy for a female. Then let us look at the plural case. You all are happy. Now we are referring it to a group. You all are happy. When this group is masculine, vous êtes heureux. Heureux is itself plural. Then vous êtes heureuse. Now we need to put an extra s to make it plural. Vous êtes heureuse. And heureuse is already feminine. So we have accorded it with gender as well as number. Then let us look at the ILS, ill subject pronoun, which needs to be accorded only in number because it is already masculine. So we cannot turn it into feminine. That is, they are kind. So ils sont gentils, an extra s, just number agreement. Then L subject pronoun will be accorded in gender as well as number. That is, L is feminine. So we will be putting the object in feminine, and plural, so we'll be putting an extra s to accord it with number. They are kind. Elles sont gentilles. Feminine or gentil is gentil with extra s, l and e, and also a s to accord it with number. This is basically known as the accordance, gender and number agreeing together. Then let us see the exercise. Pause the video, try to find all the possible accordance for the questions, and then cross check your answers. First one, je suis dash. Je suis dash. Now this subject je is only accorded in gender. So two possible answers can be there. Je suis content and je suis contente. I am happy, I am satisfied, male. I am happy, I am satisfied, female. That is contente. Then, tu es fatigué. You are tired. This can be referred to, this is also accorded in number, gender. That is, tu es fatigué, you are tired for a male. Tu es fatigué with extra e for a female. Then, il est petit. Il is not accorded. So just like that, we'll be putting the object, that is, il est petit. Our adjective will be same, il est petit. Then, elle est dash. Now L, only gender accordance, that is L est intelligente, extra E. Then nous sommes dash. Nous sommes dash. This is number agreement as well as gender agreement. Nous. For male group. Is itself plural, EUX. Then heureux with extra S for feminine group, turning it into plural as well. Then vous êtes dash. Vous êtes dash. Now vous can be accorded in plural subject, that is you all, as well as for singular. So when we put it in singular, you, masculine, feminine, gentil, and gentil with double L and E, that is feminine, gentil. You all are kind for the plural. So gentil with extra S and gentil feminine with S. I hope this question was clear. Then, ils sont. Il, masculine, plural. So, sportive with extra S. No gender agreement. Ils sont sportifs. Elles sont dash. Feminine of beau is belle, and we need to put an extra S to make it plural as well. Elles sont belles. Then, je suis triste. Triste is an invariable adjective. Same for masculine and feminine. That is, je suis triste. I am tired. I am sad for male as well as for female. Then tu es fort. You are strong for masculine without an E, that is tu for, and tu forth with E for feminine. I hope the lesson was clear. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.